X2 Master and D2 Master. How to use the automatic hood. Please enable subtitles, choose language and quality. If the machine has an automatic hood, do not try to operate it manually. This can cause serious damage to the machine. Use the kick-in wash switch to start washing. The hood lowers automatically and the wash cycle starts. It's also possible to start washing by pressing this button. When the wash cycle is finished, the hood opens automatically. There's a button on the right-hand side of the control panel. If pressed, the button lights red, and the hood can be operated manually. When releasing the button, the machine gives a short, low beep, and the hood slowly lowers to find its home position. Don't interrupt the homing sequence. If the machine is ready to wash, a wash cycle will start. When the cycle is finished, the hood operates automatically, as normal. It's also possible to release the button during washing. The hood will bounce once, and the automatic operation mode is enabled.